Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert area chart in WPS spreadsheet. So this type of chart is really great if you want to show the trends over time. So if you want to insert this chart, you need to go to Insert tab, and after that you need to select the data which you want to implement in chart. So I select here month table and sales table. And after that, I need to find here a specific type of the chart we are interested in about the area chart. So I click on this one icon. And after that, you will see here three types of the charts. We have here area chart, we have here stacked area chart and 100 stacked area. I recommend you to select the first one version of the chart because it will let you to show the trends over time, years, months and days or categories. So I select this option. And how you see, now chart has been successfully created here, so we can easily read the number of sales in January, February, March, April and May. So in this way you can easily create this type of the chart in the WPS spreadsheet. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.